Frequent unforgiving thunderstorms batter this landscape almost every day. For many animals, heavy rain stops activity. But for some, that's not an option. This male-booted racket-tailed hummingbird lives on the brink of starvation. Just 2 hours without nectar, and he could die. Hummingbirds have the fastest metabolisms on Earth. Some need to visit 2,000 flowers a day just to keep going. This mountainous forest is one of the few jungles that is getting wetter. And when you weigh less than a nickel, raindrops are a bombardment. Waterlogged feathers slow his progress. Staying airborne becomes more demanding. But he's running on empty, and the clock is ticking. Even during a downpour, competition for flowers is fierce. A buff-tailed coronet, intent on keeping the nectar-filled flowers for himself. The racket-tail is no competition for the coronet. He must wait for another opportunity. As the rains slow, over 40 species fight for their nectar hit. With the coronet facing bigger battles, this is a racket-tail's chance to sneak a sip. It takes more energy to hover than almost any other activity on Earth. We'd have to drink over a can of soda a minute to keep up. Another racket-tail, evenly matched. He won't back down. Tail splayed. Feet forward. He means business. The winner takes all. But he can't rest. He still has a lot of flowers to visit. And the next downpour is never far off.